Meaning of fallback.
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 Fallback. Fallback refers to a backup plan or alternative option that can be used in case a primary plan or option fails or is unavailable. It could be a safety net or a contingency measure in case of unexpected events or circumstances. Fallbacks are commonly used in various fields such as engineering, finance, and technology to ensure continuity and prevent potential disruptions. Having a fallback plan can provide reassurance and help mitigate risks and uncertainties. In summary, a fallback is a secondary option that can be used to address problems or challenges that arise.